Hi, I'm going to do solving a trig equation. It's quite a difficult one for A-level maths. So, solve the equation cos x plus cosec x is equal to 3 sin x, where x is between minus pi and pi. Okay, so we'll write down the equation. The first step to do here is to rewrite cosec x as 1 over sin x. This is where you formally come in here. So cos x plus 1 over sin x is equal to 3 sin x. Now the clue is here, to make this much easier, is that you will need to divide the whole equation by sin x. And if you miss this step, then you're really not going to make very much good progress with this question. So divide both sides by sin x. So this will become cos x divided by sin x. This will become 1 over sin squared x. Okay, and then this will just become 3 on the other side. Okay, now we need to recognise that cot x is cos x over sin x. So this will become cot x, and then 1 over sin squared x is going to be cosec squared x, just using this one here, but using the fact that we've got a squared, is still equal to 3. Now, there is a Pythagorean relationship that relates cosec squared x with cot squared x, and that is 1 plus cot squared x is equal to cosec squared x. So we're going to replace cosec squared x with 1 plus cot squared x. So we've got cot x plus 1 plus cot squared x is equal to 3. We've now got a quadratic in one variable, which is cot x, which is one of the techniques of solving trig equation, is to try and reduce it to a single variable. Right, so rearranging this so it looks more like a quadratic. This becomes cot squared x plus cot x. You take the 3 over here, you're going to get minus 2 is equal to 0. This factorises quite nicely into cot x minus 1, cot x plus 2 is equal to 0. So either cot x is equal to 1 from this one here, and we know that cot x is 1 over tan x, so we can also say that tan x is going to be equal to 1. Tan to the minus 1 of 1 is pi over 4, because we're working in radians, okay? And then set up your South Asian Tennis Club, or SATC, call it what you want. We want to know where tan is positive. Tan is positive in the first and the third quadrants, okay? So we'll mark those angles in here, making our angle with the x-axis. And then we will say, remember we're solving from minus pi to pi here, so the first solution we need to go back here to pi, so it'll be minus pi, sorry, so minus pi plus pi over 4 will be one solution, which will give me minus 3 pi over 4, and the other solution will be pi by 4. Or the other bracket's equal to 0, so therefore cot x is equal to minus 2. Then using this here, that means that tan x is minus 1 over 2. If you're not sure about that, pause the video here and just check, because what you're saying is 1 over tan is equal to minus 2, therefore tan is going to be minus 1/2. And then tan to the minus 1 of 1/2, it doesn't give a nice number, so we're just going to get 0.464. And then we note here that this is negative. And then where is tan negative? It's negative in the second and the fourth quadrants. We make our angle with the horizontal axis here. And therefore we're going backwards here, so we're going to have that x is going to be minus 0.464, or pi minus 0.464, which will give me 2.67. And then you should write all the solutions out in ascending order. So the solutions are going to be minus pi over 4, minus 0.464, pi over 4, and 2.678. Now, you could solve this graphically on your calculator, okay, but if the question said use detailed reasoning, you would not be allowed to do that. But let's have a look. So this is the graph of cos x plus cosec x, the green one here. Okay, and the blue graph is the graph of y is equal to 3 sine x, and then you've got your three solutions here. You just take the x coordinate of each point. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve a difficult trig equation using the reciprocal function and the Pythagorean relationship. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. I'd ask you'd like to look in the notes of the video and look at my maths video site, where you'll find thousands of A-level maths videos which will support you with your work. Thank you very much for watching, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel.